Hello dear friends, my name is Lala. Welcome to my channel. Today I will make an easy and different looking salad for you. To prepare our salad, let's chop the pickled cucumber into small pieces. As greens I use dill, you can use other greens. I use 2 egg whites. I will use the egg yolk to decorate our salad. Let's add our ingredients to our bowl. I cooked 2 potatoes in advance and cut them into small pieces. I also pre-cooked the chicken breast. You can use as little or as much pomegranate as you like. We add salt and black pepper to your taste. Add mayonnaise and mix well. Please watch the video till the end. This is for Christmas and for holiday salad recipes. From ready-made dough, prepare bowls to decorate our salad. We cut it into a square shape and stick it in this shape with egg yolk. We wait 5 minutes in a preheated oven. Our bowls are ready. We fill our salad in bowls. You can fill the bowls with any salad you like. I decorated it with pomegranate and egg yolk. You can prepare this salad for festive tables. The New Year holiday is coming. You can decorate your New Year's tables with this salad. This is the first time I'm sharing a video with sound. Finally, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.